Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel, Capturing Life as It Happens. Today's video, it's gonna be electrifying, literally, because we're unboxing and reviewing the Lacros Thunder full suspension electric mountain bike. Whether you're an off-road adventurer, a commuter looking for speed and comfort, or just someone who wants to cruise in style, this bike might just change your ride game. Stick around because I will be putting it through a real off-road trail test right after the unboxing. So let's get into it. First things first, let's see what comes inside the box. Right off the bat, you'll notice everything is well packaged with protective foam around the critical parts. Now that's a good start. Here's what we've got. The main frame with rear suspension pre-installed. Front wheel, handlebars, charger, pedals, toolkit and manual, and of course that beautiful 48-volt battery. The pedals are extremely easy to install. They both come with a label. This one is labeled for the left side, and this one has a label R for the right side. Assembling this bike is super simple. You're just mounting the handlebars, front tire and pedals. If you've ever put together a bike before, this will take you 20 to 30 minutes max. There's also this small clip you need to remove from the brake pads. Looks like we have a small headlight in the front. Gonna have to remove it and install it in the front position. So you're definitely gonna need some extra tools. This is a size 10 wrench. So you're gonna need to attach the mud guard before you put in the headlight, because I think they all connect together. That one bolt we just removed connects the headlight and the mud guard together. So you'd have to loosen this up. You have one on both sides. You have one here and you have one on the other side here. Now that she's fully assembled, let's talk specs. The Lacros Thunder electric mountain bike is a beast on paper, and in person, check this out. Full suspension designed for smooth off-road performance. 750 watts brushless motor with 1400 watts peak. 48 volts, 20 amp hour removable lithium battery. It has a 90-mile max range on a full charge and up to 28 miles per hour. It also has 5 levels of pedal assist. Another great feature is the hydraulic disc brakes for real stopping power. It also comes with a 7-speed Shimano system. All this is packed into a rugged aluminum alloy frame with 26-inch fat tire, ready to eat up terrain. Check this cool feature. Wow. Every time you press the brake light in the back lights up. This is nice. This is the rear brake. Same thing with the front brake. This reminds me of my younger days. So the recommended PSI for the tires, 20 PSI. So we're gonna make sure we inflate the tires to the correct PSI before we ride it. Let's take it for a spin. The Thunder is smooth, responsive, and handles potholes like a champ, thanks to that dual suspension. Oh man, this feels so good. Now here's where it gets fun. Off-road. The fat tire grips loose dirt and gravel very well. Let's see if we could do the max speed on this bike. The rear shocks makes a huge difference on bumpy terrain. Oh wow. We're at 16 miles, 17, and it feels so nice and smooth on the bumps on this field. 20 miles an hour. Man, this bike moves. The suspension is really good. You could hardly feel the bumps on the seat. I'm getting zero back fatigue, even after 30 minutes on rough trails. You've got that 5-pedal assist level and a thumb throttle, which is great when you need that extra kick on hills or just want to cruise without pedaling. This motor pulls. It hits 28 miles per hour with no problems, and climbing moderate hills felt effortless. Let's break down the pros and cons after a full ride. Now here are the pros. Full suspension make this thing ride like a dream. 2. Excellent power and battery range. Number 3. Strong build and high weight capacity. This thing can carry up to 400 pounds. Number 4. Great value for the price. Number 5. Throttle and pedal assist combo is perfect for flexibility. Now here are the cons. A bit heavy, around 83 pounds, not ideal for carrying up the stairs. And the last con, it takes up space and you will definitely need a garage or a bike rack. But overall, the performance absolutely makes up for the weight. If you're looking for a powerful trail e-bike that could handle both city commute and backcountry adventures, then the Lacros Thunder electric mountain bike is the real deal. I've dropped the link in the description where you can grab one for yourself. And if you use my affiliate link, you can get a special discount and help support the channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. I've got more gear reviews, camping trips, and adventure vlogs coming your way. Thanks for watching, capturing life as it happens. Until next time, ride safe, stay wild.